I think I want to show you again some large print that you can print on a regular FDM 3D printer. Now, how big you can print without the need of cutting your pieces. Because if you can cut them and glue them, and it's a lot of work, you can create really, really giant things. So, but today I just want to talk about how you can just print something and have it ready in your desk. Whether you use my Neptune 3 Pro, when I'm talking about regular, a lot of 3D printers, it's kind of the standard size. They change a little bit, but it's not that much. There is tiny 3D printers, there is huge and super huge 3D printers that can print really, really large things. But we're not going to talk about those in this video. So let's start. In the other video where I show other 5 buses, I show you pieces that the base is separate, which I'm going to show you one at the end. But this one I love because it's a huge size, like you can see, and it's completely one piece. The base is kind of part of the piece, and I really love that. So I bring you this piece from the movie Screen. It's really, really simple design, but I just love how I print. This one, it will be really easy just to sand and paint. I'm not gonna show you any of those processes in this video. So with this Ahsoka is huge. I mean, with the size of this Ahsoka, also we have a little bit more details. This one will be also easy just to sand, but I just love how it turned out. Comment what you think on in the comments which one is your favorite. And another one that I want to show in this my passion of 3D printing these pieces is this Lucky. This one I have printed already in another video I showed it, but it was with my Resin 3D printer. This with a filament, and this is huge. A Resin 3D printer wouldn't be able to print this side, and I think it should look amazing because it has a texture on the clothes. It's just you cannot really tell where are the printing the layer lines of the 3D print process, but it looks amazing. A lot of details. I just love it. I have to say over here, you're like MRPs that I show in another video. That because I put the auto support. When you have a lot of details, it just put too much support. And when I remove the support, I kind of damaged and broke some details on the side. This is not the original piece, how it was created. Gonna leave everything on the description. So if you want to print one of those pieces, you can. But still, I love it. I think after sanding and painting, this is gonna look great. And it's FDM, so technically, it would be way cheaper to reprint this one than the true resin. And another piece that I really love is this Majin Buu. Like many people, I grew up with Goku and this character. It just look amazing. The same thing, love the design, really easy. Probably to sand. Something that happened with here with the support, I need to work a little bit better to remove them from the mount. Always when you have something that tiny, you don't really need support. But again, I made the mistake to do auto support, and now it's taking a little bit of time to get rid of the support on the mount. But still, I think it looks amazing. It looks great. What do you think? One thing that I want to say too is that these are hollow. So that kind of light. I think I put a little bit more thickness on the wall to make it stronger than my previous ones. My previous one were so light that I felt they were gonna fly away just by grabbing them. The one was a little bit heavier because I added that extra layer and they're a little bit stronger. And now the last piece, but the one that I love the most is just I really, really will enjoy painting this one. It's from the Star Wars universe and is this one. Look how huge it is. The roof, yes, it comes separate, the base from this piece, but I don't have to really glue anything. I didn't really have to do anything, cut the parts. So I'm really happy with this one. It has a great details, also because it has so much texture on the skin. You can barely see the printing lines So just is amazing. I'm really, really happy about this one. Gonna be great when I finish painting it and just having there as a decoration. It should look amazing. Now that we talk about here's print, and hopefully you know now what you can print with a regular printer. What about how small they can print? So if you want to know how small they can print, watch this video and enjoy your art, enjoy 3D printing, and see you next time.